Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change language on TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to change the language on your TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone. And after opening your TradingView app, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the menu icon. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And you can see, guys, there is the settings button available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings button like a gear icon over here. And over here you can see the language button, and you can see a lot of language over here which the TradingView app supports. And if you want to change it to your preference, just tap on it and it will be changed to your preferred language. So for now I'll be keeping my language back to English, and you can see there is the tick mark, and you can see that there is the tick mark appeared and that language has been selected. And with that being said, guys, this is how you'll be able to change a language on TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.